welcome back to the channel. If you're addicted to apples, you've come to the right place. Hi, my name is Nick. From time to time I do purchase some items, either for my business or for my personal collection. Here's such a box. Let's open it up and have a look, see what's inside. Let's see what's inside the box. Oh, crap. Just in case you missed it, that's what's happened. Yeah, I seemed to miss, didn't I? I got my thumb and it's still bleeding. So this is makeshift for now. Until further notice. Alright, let's get back on with the unboxing. I'm going to be careful here now. All right. It's a number of video cards. Now, let's see, put this over here a little bit. Let's see what we got. This is their way of boxing up video cards. Dead or not dead, I don't care. Don't wrap them up in bubble wrap like that. Here are some more. Okay, faulty. All should be faulty. I'm going to be careful here. big thumbs up to the person who wrapped all these. Okay, I'm supposed to have 6 by 60 970s. I think they're 2011 models. 2 4850s. I can see at least one there. And 3 21.5 inch models, which is most likely that one, and that one. So they're the small ones. And apparently they're all faulty. So what we're going to do now is give them a quick test and see if they're working, and give them to my tech and he can possibly fix them. On to the next stage. I'm going to go through all the GPUs and I'm going to list which machines they go into and what they require. This GPU goes into an iMac 21.5 inch late 2009 or mid 2010. It is an AMD Radeon HD 4670. So there's two different part numbers. So for the late 2009 model 661-5308, for the mid 2010 model 661-5539. They'll all have individual manufacturer numbers. They'll either be on the GPU itself or on the PCB. I'm not going to go through all of them. They'll be listed on each slide. The TRRS code for the late 2009 is ZX2 or ZX3. The TRRS code for the mid 2010 is F2A or F2B. The memory is 256MB dedicated GDDR3. This particular one requires a heatsink with temperature cable and the frame. The status is faulty as is. All these video cards are that particular status, so that's how I received them. This GPU is the same, but it includes the heatsink with the temperature cable but still requires the frame. This GPU fits an iMac 21.5 inch mid 2011. It is an AMD Radeon HD 6750M. Part number is 661-5944. It has various TRRS codes. This particular one is DNLD. It has 512MB dedicated DDR5. Includes a heatsink with a temperature cable but still requires a frame. This is for an iMac 27 inch late 2009. This is an ATI Radeon HD 4850. This can slot into an iMac 27 inch mid 2010 and mid 2011 models as well. Part number 661-5315. TRRS codes can be ZX8 or ZX9. It is 512MB dedicated GDDR3. This requires a heatsink with temperature cable and the frame. This too is an ATI Radeon HD 4850. Part number is 661-5315. This particular TRRS code is ZX9 and this includes a heatsink with a temperature cable but still requires a frame. This too is an ATI Radeon HD 4850. This includes a heatsink with a temperature cable and is the only one which has a frame. This is for an iMac 27 inch mid 2011. It is an AMD Radeon HD 6970M. The 1GB version is 661-5968 and the 2GB version is 661-5969. It has a number of manufacturer numbers on them and it's very hard to distinguish if it's a 1GB or a 2GB card. We believe this one is a 1GB card and these are the TRRS codes. This one requires a heatsink, temperature cable and the frame. This too is an AMD Radeon HD 6970M, but we can't determine if it's a 1GB or 2GB card with dedicated GDDR5. This GPU is like the previous GPU, we can't determine if it's a 1GB or a 2GB dedicated GDDR5. This is an AMD Radeon HD 6970M. 661-5968. It has the heatsink with the TRRS code on there, so we can determine exactly which card it is. The TRRS code is DJ9L, and we know that that is a 1GB dedicated GDDR5. And the last video card is an AMD Radeon HD 6970M, also 661-5969, and we can distinguish that from the TRRS code of DK1Y. And that is a 2GB dedicated GDDR5. That's the end of our GPU unboxing video. We hope you enjoyed these video cards for our iMac 21.5 inch and 27 inch machines. This is all for GPU June 2022 and we hope to see you soon. Okay, bye.